Hello? Hi, everyone. Thanks for joining this morning. Over the next 10 minutes, I'll be talking to you a little bit about the Global Parkinson's Genetics Program, our mission, and some of the training and travel opportunities we offer to our trainee network. With me today, I have my colleagues Teresa Perinan, Alejandro Carrasco, and Paula Reyes. So GP2 is one of the 5 big programs funded by the Aligning Science Across Parkinson's initiative. And the idea behind GP2 kind of came about when we wanted to expand our understanding of the genetic basis of Parkinson's disease. For the scientific arm, we're looking at harmonizing existing data sets and support ongoing initiatives worldwide, conducting analysis to understanding the genetic architecture of PD. But while we're doing all of that, a very important part of our mission is to build local resource capacity around the world. In the last 5 years, I believe we've reached global impact. So we have over 70 member organizations collaborating with us, with over 160 cohorts across 59 countries already involved, and over 160,000 samples expected throughout the duration of the program. But today, I mainly want to focus on the educational activities that we offer, which I'll go into in a little bit. You can see that we're a truly global program. And this map shows the spread of the cohorts that we're collaborating with worldwide. So how are we building global capacity and research capacity worldwide? We do it through collaboration. We're training the next generation of junior researchers and clinicians around the world, providing bioinformatics workshops and regional training initiatives. We've created a learning platform which are free to access on demand, and also offer formal training opportunities. Photo on the bottom here is from a workshop we delivered last month in Colombia. This is just a brief overview of some of the opportunities that we offer. So there's funding available for trainees to attend short courses and conferences, training placements and sabbaticals at GP2 sites worldwide, and the learning platform that I mentioned, which we'll go into a little bit later on, but also formal training opportunities in the form of master's program and PhD programs. I'll pass you over to my colleague Teresa to talk a little bit about the learning platform.
Thank you, Shumit. So as Shumit has mentioned before, we have developed an online learning platform to engage with learners from different parts of the world. And the site currently has 9 different courses on a wide range of topics, providing an introduction to PD genetics, bioinformatics, data analysis, research methods, and how to run analysis using the Terra platform. All the courses are available in more than 100 different languages, and the site is currently accessed by over 800 users, 32% from underrepresented regions. There are 2 additional courses in development. One is for whole genome sequencing data analysis in monogenic PD, the other more focused on functional PD, and we hope to deliver those. Click on the link provided in the slide and register on the site. Another major focus of our working group is setting up PhD and master opportunities. So a total of 11 PhD students have been awarded. As you can see, 2 of them in Mexico. Paula is one of the awarded from here, from Mexico, and Victor, who has been awarded for a PhD in Australia. Similarly, 11 master students have been awarded to pursue a master in 3 different master programs. So the master in clinical neurology at UCL, the master in data science at UMBC, and the master in bioinformatics at Queen Mary University. We hope to provide this opportunity this year again. So please keep in contact to us to see when we advertise this opportunity. And yeah, now I will pass it to my colleague, Alejandro.
Thank you, Teresa. Well, so one of the other resources that I wanted to introduce here from GP2 is a training network. It's a network built by GP2 that gets together people from all over the globe, and we get to meet monthly, and we essentially are able to present our research projects, get to discuss, get to know some people, feedback, and also we also essentially get information about new training opportunities, such as the ones that Teresa was mentioning earlier. And also, well, yes, what programs are available from GP2. For example, there is the sabbatical program that will be introduced later on that we get to go to different sites from GP2, like collaborators from GP2, and get to learn how they essentially perform research and get to learn from them, and are able to kind of like put into practice those ideas when we are back into our sites. Apart from that, we also have the GP2 trainee representatives network that essentially are representatives from different sites, different regions from the world, and I'm one of them. I'm one of the representatives. And the idea is that we also meet monthly to brainstorm about well, what new projects we could be conducting, how we can help people from the network, whether there is something that we can do to help them progress their ideas or help them with their research projects. Also, we discuss about what new workshops we could conduct in different parts of the world, and how we can engage more people so that they get to join our network. And I'm also gonna introduce you to Paula, that is also a trainee representative and is here with us.
Vale, pues junto con Paula Safi somos representantes de la región de Latinoamérica. Nosotros también nos reunimos una vez al mes, los jueves, y básicamente la idea es discutir un poco de las necesidades específicas de nuestra región en términos de, pues de entrenamiento, de educación, y también nos juntamos mucho para hacer estos cursos que ofrece GP2 de manera conjunta, y pues también ayudarnos para saber un poco de las oportunidades que ya algunos tomaron para conocer sus experiencias y que nos ayuden a tener aplicaciones exitosas.
Thank you all. So I want to talk a little bit about what we're actually doing to support the development of our trainees. We're doing training workshops around the world. They're focused on bioinformatics. The photo you see here is from Tuesday this week. So over the last 4 days, we've been delivering 2 types of workshops. Bioinformatics at a basic level on Monday and Tuesday, and yesterday, and the remainder of today we'll be delivering a more intermediate level workshop in bioinformatics. And these are really just kind of intended towards investigators or trainees working on PD genetics who want to learn about basic to intermediate level bioinformatics. And they can be delivered in a range of ways. So there are different modes depending on the needs of the region. We can deliver it in English or a local language where it's possible. These can be online or in person. We recognize that providing training for bioinformatics may not just be beneficial to all the kind of trainees that we have within the network. And so we've launched the regional training initiatives, which are more tailored to the needs of the region and doesn't necessarily have to be about data science or bioinformatics, and can include basic research methods or even clinical components. One of the sort of training programs that we're running will be in Bishkek in Kyrgyzstan later this month. And essentially, this will provide a bit more of a background on management of PD diagnosis and assessment, but also a beginner level introduction to research methods. And as I mentioned, with the training workshops, they can be delivered in a range of ways. So we're running a 3-day workshop in Bishkek in person, and there'll be webinars running all throughout the year in 2024. More at an individual level, we're supporting our trainees to take part in sabbatical programs at GP2 sites worldwide. And these can be projects that they want to work on to develop their skills and can range from 1 to 6 months. And it's a rolling application. At any point of the year, you can apply, and we usually respond within 4 weeks. And lastly, recognizing that not all of our trainees are at a junior level, for those that are at a mid-senior or senior level, investigators within the network, we're providing $5,000 essentially to visit a site to develop a new avenue of research or build a new collaboration that aligns with the mission of GP2. That's all from me. Thank you.